Today, we're riding the Transgardaland Express, a very special attraction at Gardaland. What may look like a simple park railway is actually the oldest operating attraction in the entire park. The train has been running since Gardaland opened on July 19, 1975. Since then, it has carried generations of visitors and remains an important part of the park to this day. In its early years, however, the route looked very different from what we see today. Along the journey, guests could discover a variety of themed areas, including fairy tale scenes, a Native American village, and a dwarf mine. One of the most famous parts of the ride was the Seven Dwarfs Mine. It was located in the area that is now known as the Fantasy Tunnel. Over the years, the original attraction was removed and eventually replaced with new scenes. The trains themselves have also changed. The first trains were built by the Italian company Lima, which was best known for producing model railways. The locomotives used today were introduced later to ensure more reliable operation. Throughout its long history, the Transgardaland Express has been modified several times. As Gardaland continued to grow and evolve, sections of the railway had to be adapted to fit the changing layout of the park. Despite these changes, the attraction survived and continues to operate more than 50 years after opening day. That makes it a true rarity. Very few amusement park attractions can claim such a long and uninterrupted history. One of the most popular sections of the ride today is the Galleria della Fantasia, or Fantasy Gallery. This tunnel was created as the successor to earlier scenes and remains one of the few places where visitors can still experience some of the classic atmosphere of Gardaland's past. The Transgardaland Express may not be the most spectacular attraction in the park, but it is a living piece of amusement park history. Every journey is a reminder of how Gardaland began more than 50 years ago and how the park has evolved over the decades. And as we slowly approach the end of our ride, it becomes clear why this small train continues to hold a special place in the hearts of many Gardaland fans. Because the Transgardaland Express is not simply a means of transportation or a relaxing train ride. It is the oldest moving reminder of Gardaland's beginnings.
Minuten genau.
Attenzione mani, si apre le porte, attenzione mani, scioglie le destre, buona salute, giornata, buon divertimento.
Molto diverso, però comunque i campus in funzione, per esempio, non vi possono usare